Okay, I've had a problem with one of my engines where I have a dummy wheel, that is, it's insulated, and I really would like it to be hot, but I can't because the opposite wheel is hot, and they don't work that way. Either this one's hot and this one's hot, or those are hot and those are hot, one side or the other. I always wanted all-wheel pickup on these things, and this is a dummy truck from a Alco Diesel, American Flyer Alco Diesel, and I have my power supply here, and I'm going to put it on about 60 miles an hour. So now we got about 10-11 volts going through, no ohms. Light bulb's not on, right? Light bulb is not on. No sparks, no arcs. Light bulb is on. Okay? Are there any questions? We are working on this, hoping to have some real prototypes soon, and we're also going to be working on the powered truck as well for some variation of this. And boy, I would like to get this out for you guys cheap as I can. It's just a chunk of plastic and a little spring, okay? So let's see what we can do, huh? This is a all-wheel drive Alco diesel truck adapter. Lord have mercy. Later.